Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you what is this green dot mean which is displayed with the battery icon in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So this green dot means any app on your mobile is using your microphone or camera. So when any app in your mobile is using your microphone or camera, then this green app is displayed because of security purpose. So this green dot shows that your apps or any other thing on your mobile is using your microphone or camera. So right now I have turned on the sound notification. So now you can see it shows the microphone icon. So it means this app is using my microphone. So when I will turn it off, then the green dot will be removed after few seconds. So now I have to turn it off from here, and after turning off you can see the green dot is removed. So the green dot means your apps are using your microphone or camera. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.